Good morning, good morning, good morning, good god dang it morning. Monday morning. My new moniker. Videos coming from anytime, any place, anywhere. The beach, the car, the bathroom. No, well, maybe not the bathroom, but hey, you get my drift, right? And we're going to start doing this thing back brick by brick, because that's what this channel is built on. Brick by brick. Welcome to all the money squatters back up in the building. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, because I do content for everybody, right? Kids, cakey, aunties, uncle, babies, ladies, everything, because dope is dope, and you don't have to always have Jordan, especially for the kids going back to the school. There's other dope shoes out there, so please do not feel that you need to go jump through the roof or the ceiling to get a pair of Jordans, because everybody else does. Also, gonna make sure you check out Who Has the Heat. We're gonna be back up in the building this week. The description below, I think we have 410 subscribers, so we need 90 to get to 500. So go tell a family member, friend. We're gonna have a dope battle, the ladies versus the men, kicking off this week, and it will be a double header. As always, go follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, McFly 704, not KOF, and PMKICKZ as well. Go check out my featured channels. Now, enough of my gibberish. Let's get into this. Now, you see it's a Kyrie box. Kyrie did have input on this, as you may know. He didn't have input in his new silhouette, and he did not approve that message. He actually even calling it trash, which is very, very interesting. So that just lets you know, good people, you always got to read the fine print. Read what's around you. I know a lot of us are guilty of that. You don't read the contract or what's in the fine print, and you get got. So you got the Kyrie box, black, red, PP, personal pairs. You can see Kyrie 7, official colorway, stadium green, black bolts, size 10.5, men, 12, women. Suggested retail price, 130 of them things. And you can see you got the 4G code. This is the dope part of the box, where you got all this graphics inside. Kyrie 7. I don't know, a lot of people don't like the all-seeing eye. You got the swoosh, and you got a lot of nice details inside of the box. You gotta love the art, right? Then you got your paper wafer, and got the receipt on deck. I got my little military discount for all, you know, everybody want to be the receipt police. But these are the Weatherman joints, and just want to see more inside of the box. Take it a very, very nice presentation. So even if you don't have nothing, they make you feel like you got something. Bang and bang. Now the Kyries, now they fit snug. Don't get me wrong, so you definitely need to try these on. I wouldn't recommend going true to size on these joints, but these are the Kyrie Weathermans. Got the Oregon Duck vibes. You got the Weatherman KDs, you got the Weatherman foam posits, so you get the drift. So on these, Kyrie did have input on this shoe. As you can see, it got air zoom turbo technology, and underneath, you see that kind of reminds you, like when you look on the weather forecast, right? You see what is that? Most time you see the hurricane, right? So you got that, you see that coming in, but that is definitely nice. See underneath the bottom, 44.5. You know, sometimes on the Kyrie, he do have Easter eggs, you know, little stuff to tell him about his family, his mom, his daughter, stuff like that. Just like PG normally does on his shoe, and Giannis does on his shoes as well. Now we coming around on here, you see the toe, which is very interesting. You see you got the little glue and stuff like that. This is, like I said, this is most of the time on Kyrie shoes the turn off, because you got the all-seeing eye on the shoe. You got the speed roping lacing system, kind of make you look like the fly trap look. Then you got Kyrie's initial right here on the tongue, pretty much. Coming around on the side, you see you got the swoosh, which is all like a little glossy outliner. I'm trying to look to see any Easter eggs. And then you got your peaks right here, and then on the back again you have no pull tab, just more of the all-seeing eye, which is stitched. Then you're coming around on the back, you do have his legacy is going to live. Okay, so you do have something on the back, live forever. And I got this loud truck, but that's okay. And then other than that, You got the medium side. This one is not glossy, as you can see. It's just more of a cheap type plastic. And of course, more mesh right here with your laces and strings. Like I said, I'm just looking for Easter eggs, which I don't see. Then you got your stuffing in here for instead of your shoe tree. But definitely this shoe will make you stick out. If you're an Oregon Duck fan or something like that, this may be the shoe for you. Now if I can get the shoe tree out, as you can see inside of the sole, the forecast calls for a thunderstorm. That's pretty dope. So that's a different type of insole. Production date 11/11/20 to 1/21/21. So we're looking at roughly 2 months on production date on these joints here. So we put these on the side. We don't see anything on here. Pretty much got the same thing, which is interesting because I'm so used to finding those little hidden messages in the shoe. But oh well, it is what it is. And then this one has the sun and lightning and a cloud. So the way this insole is, I don't think you got to worry about too much about sock bunnies, because it's like a nylon type material, so you ain't got to really worry about that. Some of the other ones you do. Other than that, and most people do like the ball and Kyrie shoes, not really built on, not really, I guess, a big thing in the community as far as a lifestyle shoe. But I think you can pull these off with the right shirt and the right fit. So on the little meter, let's see what I give these joints. On the little meter, how they come across on the camera, looking pretty good. Out of 5, I would give it about a 4.7 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. 4.7 out of 5. Is that too much? Is that not enough? Or what do you plan on giving this shoe? And we can chop it up in the comment section. Other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. I'm out. Peace.